Right, we are out and about. Welcome to the day after, where I'm slightly hungover from my 2.5 beers. We've got a goal today, so each of the videos now, I'm going to try and have a goal so you can come along on a journey with us. So today's goal is I've got to find a shirt for my niece's wedding, because the shirt I brought with me might be a bit too loud. It's just a check shirt, so I just need a white shirt. So we've got to go to the Central Market and explore some of the shops around there. I am a bit more rotund, if you haven't already worked out, than the last trip we were here, so I might have to go up to quadruple XL by Cambodian sizes, yeah, like XXXXXL. So yeah, come with us.
Yeah.
What's that? Oh.
Remember, it used to be a pile of rubbish.
Oh yeah, this used to be just a pile of shit. Now look, the pile of shit has been assembled into some, what's it called? Huh? Quayside, or is it quayside? Circular quay. So here we are. This is our first look at Phnom Penh in the daytime since getting here.
Still stink.
Still pongs. Because we left our carrier in the pram, which is on its way to Kandal. We've got to carry Max. But we actually think the carrier would have been probably too hot anyway.
Hot, yeah.
Kinal's Khmer mate in Australia, Jibidatsuwa Ani, gave us the traditional Khmer wrap, and we're probably thinking that would have been a good idea about now.
If we know how to use.
If we knew how to tie it up. So we might also procure one of those.
You can find one.
Oh, you'll be able to find one.
You reckon?
Yeah. Where are you, man?
Yeah, but that's not tradition.
What's tradition then? Just a scarf? Oh.
And I don't even know how to wrap it.
Surely you'd be able to find a budding mother here to show you how to do it. Wouldn't your sisters be able to show you how to do it?
Yeah, but all my sisters carry the baby like this.
Oh.
Because we have so many people.
Oh, yeah. There you go. Here's something fun. Mister's first tuk-tuk ride.
Hey, that's true.
There you go. Is that fun, buddy? We reckon Max is getting pretty tired pretty quickly too, so
yeah.
What would have normally been a let's just walk has now become let's take a tuk-tuk.
But it's okay, we support local.
That's
economy.
right. So, yeah, give and take. Right, oh. Central Market, here we are. Bloody quiet on the roads.
I reckon.
Quiet around here too.
Yeah. I reckon you'll find your shirt in the mall easier, but we'll just look around.
All right.
But it's best to buy it from the thing.
Yeah,
Or like
it's best to buy
easier.
Easier.
Because we're baby. But
yeah, all of this becomes a challenge. Everything is a challenge. Even entry and egress from the tuk-tuks is now a 45-second ordeal of grabbing stuff, passing him around, making sure we've got all the bits and pieces. Righto, here we are entering. And it has been a long time since we've been in here with that fluoro light.
I always get confused when I come here because like it all look the same.
That's right.
So I don't know which way to go first.
Do you know what? You're starting to feel like me. It's good. It's always me getting confused and lost around here.
I feel like this since I was a tour guide. Every time I come here, it's like which compartment sell which because they all look the same.
This area looks exactly the same as... Yeah, okay.
The arch all look the same, you see?
Yeah.
All the corner, but each of it has all different things they sell.
Yeah.
Like over there, something.
Well done. We reckon that we're probably not going to get a formal plain white shirt, which is what I want.
I think
tomorrow.
Which is,
yeah, we've walked into the tourist stuff, if you can probably tell by the colourful pictures and the items.
Oh, you want gold painting?
Jeez, how big of Angkor Wat picture do you want? Yes,
oh,
that big. That's nice. That's a nice one up there.
Yes.
But you know what? Keep going. So you just start looking, then we start buying stuff that we can't fit and don't need.
Every time I walk past,
yep.
Oh, the baby is so pretty.
That's good. All right, now we're back here again. How did we get back here?
We went around.
That's right.
And then now you see what I mean? Like
you've got no bearings. You need a map. We do need to get a small screwdriver because Mister's got a little fan that we can put some batteries in. But we don't have a screwdriver to take the little kiddie safe bit off, so we'll grab a screwdriver from this area, which looks like it sells screwdriver. Well, it's got electronics and other stuff. Surely you should have small toolkits and things. You don't reckon?
This market is more like, I don't know.
Ah, jeez.
See what I mean?
Okay, yeah, well, this is not... You're not going to get a screwdriver here.
You can get batteries.
You get batteries, but...
See, they can unscrew for us.
Yeah, do you have it on you?
Yeah.
You do?
His bag.
Oh. Ah, this is excellent.
Unscrewed it for us.
What
so
service? Oh, yeah. Mister. You're going to have a fan. Oh, get excited, buddy boy.
Oh,
Oh, there goes that. Does that give a bit of juice out? Barely.
Oh, look at
Akon. All right. First success done. All right, let's keep going. Ooh, the ice. Oh, how do you keep with this? Righto, we've got the ice truck here.
Yeah.
And let's have a look and watch the ice get to its desired spot, which is down here. Righto. Let's step over this rusty old thing. Call that the tetanus train. Is he going to give it a shove or what's the story? Hey, cut himself. OH&S. Maybe he is Mr. Tetanus up there. Here we go. All right. Bloody marvellous. That was fun. Mister, did you like it? Oh, another one. Oh, missing all the action. Anyway, food area.
Oh my god, he looks like him.
Me? He looks like me?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. I bloody want him to. Fruit, fresh fruit.
Cherries. Look, your mangosteen, your favorite.
I know, just don't get too excited. They are sweet. They are delicious. Oh. Oh, here we go. Now we're talking. Look at squid. Jeez, chicken.
Yeah, you want something from here?
Oh, might have to now. Might have to now. Old mate's cooking up some noodles. There's a bit of seafood innards, looks like. Cherries.
Crickets then.
Crickets. There you go, there's your crickets and your bugs and worms. Those things, you like those things? Lychee.
I like the
Durian. The pungent smell of durian. There's some more innards of animals. Fish. Tringet. Oh, ooh, look at this. Chili crabs.
Pickle, crab pickle.
Crab pickle. I see chili and garlic. Mango steam. Oh, it's all happening. What do you feel like? Are you just overwhelmed?
I am, but also I feel like if I sit down and eat, it's not comfortable
No.
for him either.
So what do you want to do?
Wait, let me go back out.
All right. Uno momento. 4 for 4. Change of plan. So we're going to go to the mall, pick out a shirt, come here, get some food to take away, then go back to the hotel so he can rest. So yeah, again, you just got to work. Look, you can do this. You just got to work around old mate there. Oh, actually now it is warming up, isn't it? Where's the mall? Which mall was it? Not the one that we went to last time?
That wasn't.
Sorry, a mall.
Yes, so we are mall.
That was a shit one.
It's the only mall here.
Oh, let's go, because we didn't really look for clothes last time. We went looking for headphones. Yeah.
Did you find a way? I forgot. I think it's where.
She's forgotten.
Oh my god, I haven't been here for so long.
Right, here we are, the Soraya Mall. Soraya, we've already been here before. Oh, that stinks. Something very repugnant. We'll walk under here, which I think was for New Year. Oh, look at this. And, do we have to check in, sign in, or anything? Or we're just going to walk straight in? Tour. That's good. Security at its finest. I'm not sure if we're supposed to be wearing a mask in here. It feels like we should be, and I think we should do that. Give me a second. Look, we're guests here. We don't want to be, you know, stand out too much. This is the right thing. Any men's clothes shops? Success, we have now found a genuine Hugo Boss shirt which fits beautifully. What was the price?
15.
Now we're paying overs here because, again, we've got a little mister that's tired and we need to eat. And time is money.
Mr. Tired's fine, but Mommy's tired.
That's right. So this will look good when we go to our wedding in a couple of days' time.
You know what you can use for Graham's wedding as well?
Oh, that's right. I can use that for another
wedding.
Another wedding. Look at that. So here we first in, first serve.
We pay for the bag.
Oh, do we?
Yeah.
Oh, that's very nice.
Like the 15 bag.
Oh, yeah, that's it. Okay, let's do this transaction.
Pay for the aircon and this.
That's right.
Less hassle, less.
I can break that one. Akon. Oh, he is knackered.
He is tired.
What was this shop called? M Suit. M Suit. Very good. Great service. And when I mean service, I mean, have you got a big one? She goes, yes, I do. And produced it. There's a shop here called Mr. DIY, which is on the top level. Always low price. We've got a video from last time where Kinal takes issue with the fact that
it's not a DIY.
It's not a DIY shop. She decided to do some unscrupulous things in there. Theft and other things. Which...
No, I said it in the video. Fit the name.
Go watch it. I think it's funny. Lady at the shop just said to Kinal, you don't have to wear masks inside, but you can if you'd like to. But this way? Where's the lift? It's on the other side. Bloody hell, I'm confused. But yeah, like we said before, we're guests here, so we'll do the, you know, courteous thing. We're at another shop here, KCN. What do you think? They've got some very colourful items here.
No, I wanted to get some traditional top.
Ah, so Kinal needs to get a traditional top. This is what you're... Well, why don't you just get this one then? Come in here. You don't like?
I don't know.
What colour you want?
My just skirt that I'm wearing is green.
Not much goes with green.
Yeah, another green or white.
Yeah, well, it'd have to be white, I reckon. Yeah. That's probably another video, folks. Kinal searching for a traditional white.
I am searching for traditional white so I can wear my skirt, my dad's mother's skirt to go to my niece's wedding for sentimental purpose. I want to surprise her.
Yeah, so that's going to be fun.
Because obviously she's not there.
Yeah.
So by wearing the skirt, it's like, you know, showing that she's there with her.
It must have rained whilst we're inside. We're only inside for about 9 minutes. So it's pissed down and starting to clear up in that time. And it's nice and cool too, isn't it? Sort of. Or maybe that's just the aircon from the building behind us.
Cool.
We're going to get lunch now and take it back to the hotel so he can sleep. But there we go. That's probably the most expensive item of clothing I'll ever buy in this country. But like I was saying, I just don't think it's worthwhile spending another hour to find a shirt for $9 where he could be asleep and resting and out of this heat. Previously it was all about the bargain, but right now it's all about the time.
Convenience.
Convenience, that's right. I might just throw to a clip of what we got for lunch so you can see here. How much?
Nearly $4.
Me. How much?
$6 each.
$6 each? Prices have gone through the roof. That's bloody expensive. And I'm sure it looks delicious.
Phenomenal. What's the word?
Phenomenal.
Yes.
Say it.
Phenomenal.
Good job. And we'll probably end up seeing you in the next video. Catch us later. Chick chow.
Is that where we...
Let's find our way back. No, we've gone the complete wrong direction here. All right, we'll see you later. We're getting lost here.